In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make your Shopify store mobile-friendly. First, start by making sure your store is built on a modern Shopify theme. Newer themes are designed with mobile devices in mind, which means they handle smaller screens, touch navigation, and responsive layouts much better than older themes. Examples of modern themes include Dawn and Sense. If you are currently using an older theme, consider switching to a newer one before you spend time making lots of custom edits, because a modern theme can solve many mobile issues automatically. Next, when you customize your store, go to Online Store, then Themes, then Customize. Inside the theme editor, always use the mobile icon at the top of the editor. This is important because the desktop view can look perfect while the mobile layout tells a different story. On mobile, sections stack vertically, and spacing, text size, and image placement can shift. As you click through your homepage and key templates, watch how each section collapses and stacks. If a section feels too tall, too cramped, or hard to read, adjust the settings for padding, image size, or text length so it looks clean on a phone screen. After that, make your product images consistent by using the same aspect ratio across your catalog. When images have different shapes, your product grids can look uneven on mobile, and pages can jump as images load. Choose one standard shape, like square or a consistent portrait ratio, and stick with it for every product image. This helps your store look more professional and makes scrolling feel smoother. Also confirm that your theme supports lazy loading. Lazy loading means images load as the shopper scrolls, instead of all at once. This reduces initial load time and improves the mobile experience, especially on slower connections. Many modern Shopify themes include this by default, but it is still worth verifying if your store feels slow or image-heavy. Finally, be careful with video. Instead of uploading raw MP4 files directly to your Shopify pages, use Shopify's native video player or hosted video links. This keeps file sizes under control and supports adaptive bitrate streaming, which helps videos play smoothly on different mobile networks without forcing a huge download. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.